I will provide some tips and tricks. Whenever you are writing any prompt to any platform like ChatGPT or any other language model or any other AI tools, so there are few tips you need to remember, you need to follow. Okay, so like it will change your entire structure of your output. Okay, it will entirely change the structure. Okay, so the first tip is tell the desired length of your article. So suppose you want to create a blog post, you want to create a email cold email script, you want to write a Facebook ad copy, you want to write a LinkedIn connection request, you want to write a LinkedIn post. So you mention the specific length of the article. Suppose 500 words. I already explained earlier videos also. Suppose 500 words, 300 words, 1000 words, two paragraphs, one paragraph, and then 5 lines, then like this. So you need to mention the length of the article, how many words, how many character, how many paragraph, how many words, how many sentences. So you mention. Okay, it is super helpful actually. Okay, the tips number 2 is, see here is the example, like 500 words, 10 lines, 2 paragraphs, long article, short article, like this. Okay, so it is already covered. So the second tips is tell the objective of your question. So tell the objective. So what kind of content you want to create. So it is a blog post content, it is a cold email content, it is a promotional email, it is a short video script, it is a long video script, it is a landing page copy, it is a Facebook ad copy, it is a LinkedIn post copy, it is a social media Instagram reel copy, Instagram reel script. Okay, so tell the exact objective. Okay, tell the objective of your question, whatever you are asking to ChatGPT. What is your objective? Okay, explain this. You want to create a blog post, you want to write a mail, so explain that particular topic. Okay, it will provide the better response. Tips number 3 is mention the tone of the output response. It is very important. See here is a link. I will provide this file, this ebook with you. So here is a link. Here I have mentioned more than 200 plus tones. I have based on the industry, based on the blog post. Now let me check if it is open. Let me check. So there I have mentioned more than 200 tones, I think, based on the industry, also based on the, let's check. So you will get these details also, so you can practice, you can use it. Okay, it's taking little time. Let it open. Okay, yeah, it is done. See, for blogging purpose, suppose you are creating an informative post. So in that case, what you can do, you can use this kind of tone, informative tone, engaging tone, you can use. So you mention use the tone engaging or use the tone informative. Okay, here is one example also I have given. Provide detailed insights on the latest SEO trends. Okay, on the latest SEO trends. So like this kind of thing you can write. So for personal stories, you can use personal, you can relatable, you can use this type of keyword, this type of tone. Tutorial purpose, it's a clear instruction, you can use this keyword, you can use this tone, you can use this keyword. Clear instruction, instructional video, step by step guide to settling up a WordPress blog. Okay, So clear output you are asking. So for cold email purpose, what kind of tone you should use, this is the thing. For Facebook ad copy, this is the thing. So I have mentioned here more than 200 plus words I have mentioned. Okay, so you can use this thing. Same for the I think some action words or powerful keywords I have also mentioned in a different Excel format I have given. Okay, I have given a link. So mention the tone of the output response, what kind of tone you want to use. So it will validate your personality, it will validate your brand response. Okay, so like excited, professional, polite, soft, then professional, I already mentioned professional. This is the tone you can use for creating your content. Okay, so I have given the details, you can use it also. Then next is provide the format you want to get the response. So you mention your format. Suppose you need some specific format, in a Excel format, in a CSV format, in a code format, a Python code format, JavaScript code format, in some specific format, like customer is saying this, customer and representative, or anything. A teacher is saying this, student is saying this. So teacher student, teacher student, this format you want to follow. Or the customer representative, customer representative, this format you want to follow. Okay, so you provide that format, or you ask ChatGPT, okay, give me the details in Excel format, give me the details in CSV format, give me the details in PDF format, give me the details in Python code format. So it will provide, you use the particular format, so it will provide in that particular format only. Okay, then the next, suppose Excel format, CSV format, Python code format, JavaScript, HTML code format, it will provide the details. Provide enough details before asking questions. So whenever you are asking something to ChatGPT, you try to provide more details, as much as you can. The more details you can provide. Okay, okay, suppose you want to get some okay, in a different video I will speak that. Suppose you want to summarize. Okay, let me tell. Suppose you want to summarize some content, so what you can do is, you can copy the entire article, you can paste it, and then below you can ask, okay, summarize this content, or take in an advanced module I will explain all those things. But for your understanding purpose, you can use it. You can copy and paste the entire article, and at the end of the way, you can ask ChatGPT that summarize the above article, and you provide me the 20 questions or 10 question answer you can provide, or you just summarize this article. Okay, again, what else you can do, you can suppose you are going to apply for a job. So what you can do, you can copy paste the job description from LinkedIn or any other platform. You can copy paste the job description, and then ask ChatGPT, so this is the job description, you ask me, you provide me some questions so that I can prepare myself for that interview. Okay, so like this. So you need to provide enough details, and then as much as you can, you need to provide more details, and in that time only you will get the better accurate answer. Okay, avoid grammatical error again. So don't minor grammatical error, it will be corrected by the ChatGPT only, but don't try to avoid the grammatical error, any spelling mistake, anything, just try to avoid it. So it will, otherwise it will provide a random answer. Okay, then okay, then the next thing is grammatical error. Okay, then avoid grammatical error I told. Then the next question is, don't ask multiple questions together. Suppose in a prompt you are asking 3, 4, 5 questions together, don't ask it. Suppose if your prompt is more complicated, break it down. So ask me, first ask this question, then after getting that answer, then the second question, then the third question, like that way. Don't ask multiple questions together, so it will be confused and it will provide a generic answer, so you will not get the specific answer. So avoid this thing. Before submitting for response, proofread it or cross check it. So whenever you are submitting that your prompt, that before submitting, you cross check it whether all the things are correct or not, grammatical error is there or not, spelling mismatch is there or not. So you need to clarify it and then you need to submit it. So again, that's another tips is use super powerful action words. So here I have already mentioned few action words like step by step, very powerful word. Think like an expert, think like an expert, it is also powerful. Act as an expert, specialist, act as a specialist, let's think step by step, thinking backward, in style of famous personality or famous brand. Suppose you are asking, so sing a song in the style of Shreya Ghoshal, sing a song in the style of Honey Singh. So you are providing a specific personality. Provide me a detail. Create a report like Amazon warehouse, like this. So you are providing a special model. You are referring as a famous person or a famous brand. So you want to get that response from that personality only. Suppose write a poem in the style of Rabindranath Tagore. Write a poem in the style of Shakespeare. So you are referring that great personality. You want to get that response like that personality. Okay, so you need to mention the famous personality or famous brand for getting the more out specific answer. And then pretend you are my assistant, and suppose you are asking something to ChatGPT, you can tell pretend hey ChatGPT, you pretend yourself that you are my assistant and now you answer my question. So it will help you like your assistant. Okay, again, so I have given a Excel sheet here, attachment I have given here. So you will get 200 plus more powerful action. You can use it like this. These keywords are very powerful, and again I have given 200 plus super powerful keywords. You can use that thing also. So I think, yeah, that's it for this video. So we have completed the beginner to intermediate level course. We have completed. In the next module I will provide the advanced level, advanced ChatGPT prompt engineering. Okay, those things we will learn. So again, my request is to practice until and unless you practice it, until and unless you gets your hand dirty, you can't learn these things. Okay, create your own example based on the tips and tricks I have given. Create your prompt and practice it. So I'm sure you will get some better response, of course. And then just verify it whether which one is looking good, which one is sounding good, and then you can use it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video, that is the advanced prompt engineering course. Thank you.